In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple CRM in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, no-nonsense system to track leads, manage follow-ups, and monitor deals without cluttering your workspace. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and log in. If you're brand new to ClickUp, you can use the website or download the app. I've placed a direct link at the top of the description so you can grab it easily. Once you're in, we'll build the CRM structure that keeps everything organized and easy to scan. Start by creating a new space and name it CRM. A space is your highest level container in ClickUp, so think of it as the dedicated home for all your customer and deal information. Keeping this separate helps you avoid mixing CRM work with other company projects. Inside the CRM space, create folders to organize by type or team. Common examples are sales and partnerships. This gives you a clean separation of responsibilities, and it's easier to filter and report on results later. Don't overthink the structure, only add what you'll actually use. Within each folder, create a list to track your pipeline stages. Use stages like new lead, contacted, qualified, and closed. Lists are where the day-to-day tracking happens, and stages like these provide a simple path that mirrors how a lead moves through your process. If your pipeline has different names, that's fine. Just keep it consistent across folders. Now, add one task for each lead, client, or deal. Examples include a website inquiry lead, a discovery call with a client, a proposal sent, or a deal closed. One task per lead keeps information centralized, notes, files, and updates live in a single place, which makes handoffs smoother and follow-ups clearer. To make tasks informative at a glance, add fields such as priority, assignee, due date, and status. Priority helps you decide what to tackle first. Assignee makes ownership clear, due date keeps follow-ups timely, and status shows progress without opening the task. These fields become especially powerful when sorting and filtering your lists. Set task statuses like to do, in progress, and completed. Statuses are your workflow checkpoints, separate from pipeline stages. For example, a lead can be in the qualified stage, while the task status is in progress, because you're actively following up. Lastly, monitor progress using list view for details, board view for a pipeline-style layout, or a simple dashboard when you want a high-level overview. That's it, you now have a simple CRM setup in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.